Happy Vlogmas!
No, happy Christmas!
Happy Vlogmas!
Happy Christmas!
What do you want for Christmas?
I want a lot of dress-ups.
A lot of dress-ups. What else do you want? What kind of Barbie do you want?
All the Barbies, like Tiana, Rapunzel, Elsa, Anna.
Guys, she wants all the princess Barbies. All of them. Because when's your birthday?
December.
December what?
11.
So, Sophie gets to ask for things for her birthday and also for Christmas.
Yeah.
But what is Santa doing?
Checking on you.
He's checking on you. What are we gonna make your tree look like?
A Santa Claus.
Your tree's gonna look like a Santa Claus?
Yeah.
You ready to do it?
Yeah. Come on.
Woo!
Boom. Goes the cannon. Look at this mermaid.
Oh, you need to sing for the camera your favorite Christmas song. Santa Claus is coming to town.
What is this?
That is an elephant.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. He is so cute. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been
bad or good.
so.
Be good. Be
So be good.
for
Goodness sake. You better watch out. You better not.
cry.
You better not.
Pout,
I'm
I'm telling you
Santa Claus is coming.
to town. Town.
Town, town, town.
Town, town, town. Mermaid.
What about her?
She's my favorite.
Oh my goodness. Do you love your tree?
I love it a lot.
Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. Sophie's little tree is actually from Big Lots, I think last year or 2 years ago, but they always have similar stuff. It's just a little 3-foot tree. And then the small ornaments are from Target. They're just plastic ornaments. And then all these specialty ones are also from Target. She's really excited to have her own tree in her room for the first time. And yeah, this was so fun getting to put up a tree with her in our new house. So thanks for tuning in to my first Vlogmas. This whole vlog thing is still a little bit weird for me, so I had to get Sophie as my little security blanket. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Talk to you soon. Bye. Thanks for watching, guys. Say thanks for watching. Is it Vlogmas? Vlogmas Day 2. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Thanks for watching us decorate Sophie's tree. Hope you liked it.
Pew, pew, pew. Pew, pew, pew. Pew, pew, pew.
Pew, pew.